Hey, what's up, guys? So, if you're an Indian and you've just bought your new iPhone 11 or a new iPhone or a refurbished iPhone, so Apple, if you remember in their keynote, they had promised that you would get 1 year free of Apple TV Plus, which is their own original content, and they've got loads of stuff packed in there. So, basically, if you buy any Apple product, after I think their keynote, which was on 10th of September, you basically get 1 year of Apple TV Plus for free, and then they charge you $4.99 a month. That is $4.99 a month. So for Indians here, as you can see, I just took a screenshot before I subscribed to it. So at the bottom, you can see it says 12 months free, then 99 rupees a month, which is pretty okay because they're going to be they're going to keep adding more and more shows, and you get movies. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So now we go into the Apple TV app, and here we are. So right now you have the morning show, and I'm really interested to see this movie, which is C. Then you've got Fast and Furious, Hobbs and Shaw, For All Mankind, Avengers Endgame. So say I tap on that, and yeah, I mean, this is a movie, so you can either rent or buy this. But if you want to watch something like their original series, say the morning show, if you tap on that, you could directly play the first episode and you can start to watch. Now, just to give you proof that I have in fact subscribed to this, if you're going to manage subscriptions, as you can see on the top, we have the Apple TV Plus. So there you go, Apple TV Plus. I subscribed to it on the day it was launched, which is today, 1st November 2019. So the next billing date is 1st November 2020. So I can either choose to have it for another year once it renews for $9.99, in which I do save some money, or I can just keep it 99 rupees a month. And as you can see at the bottom, it says that if I cancel, my family members will immediately lose access to Apple TV Plus and the remainder of the 1 year free trial. So you can't reactivate that. So yeah, that's one downside. But yeah, otherwise, I mean, leaving that aside, I think it's a pretty sweet deal. So yeah, it's that simple. Today's the day it's launched all over. So just head on to your Apple TV app on your phone and yeah, get it if you want to, that is. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to PureCast9 if you want to watch more tutorials like this. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.